From train-smashing stuck trailer towing an excavator, to public bus in Sweden thrown by fast-moving train, and much more, here are the 3 shocking train moments caught on camera. On October 4th, 2023, a major incident unfolded in Redding, California, when a semi-truck's trailer towing an excavator became stuck on the train tracks near Breslauer Way and State Route 2731. The ensuing collision between the truck and a Union Pacific train caused significant damage and led to a prolonged road closure. The video of the incident captures the harrowing moment of impact. The semi-truck, driven by a 25-year-old man from Washington, was attempting to cross the tracks when it became stuck. Despite the driver's efforts to free the trailer, an oncoming Union Pacific train was unable to slow or stop in time, resulting in a violent collision. The force of the impact threw the tractor from the trailer, striking the railroad crossing arm controls and causing major damage.
Really go.
Fortunately, no injuries were reported during the incident. However, due to the extensive damage to the crossing arm, the intersection at Breslauer Way and SR 273 was closed for several days, affecting local traffic.
Gothenburg, the second largest city in Sweden, boasting a population of approximately 600,000 in the city proper and about 1.1 million in the metropolitan area, relies heavily on buses for local transportation. However, on March 8, 2021, a notable incident unfolded that shook the routine of city commuters. A public bus found itself stuck on the railway tracks, and a nearby bystander recorded the impending disaster. In the video footage, the oncoming train could be seen approaching rapidly towards the immobilized bus, resulting in a significant and forceful collision. Upon closer examination, it becomes apparent that a small fire broke out during the collision. Fortunately, in a stroke of luck, the bus had been evacuated before the collision occurred, ensuring that no passengers were on board. This incident underscores the importance of quick and effective responses to emergencies, preventing potential injuries and further complications.
On March 1st, 2023, a dramatic incident unfolded in Ringgold, Georgia, when a semi-truck carrying an excavator got stuck on a railroad crossing near High Street at Evett Street. The ensuing collision with a northbound CSX train resulted in a significant wreckage. The video of the incident vividly captures the moment of the crash. The semi-truck, unable to move, remained stuck on the tracks as the CSX train approached. Despite the clear danger, the train was unable to stop in time, leading to a violent collision. The impact was so severe that it caused extensive damage, and the semi-truck was dragged along the tracks.
Oh no. Oh no.
The train engineer suffered minor injuries in the crash and was taken to the hospital. The incident led to a temporary closure of the crossing at High Street and Evett Street, affecting local traffic.
If you like this video and would like to watch a similar one, click the on-screen link now. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.